just happened in my life, man. You know, gotta put in the work out, gotta sacrifice a lot of things, but you gotta know where you go, man. It is what it is. Gotta stay focused. Keep on dreaming. We gonna make it one day. Where would I be even if it wasn't for this shit? Where would I be? Namandazi. Where would I be even if it wasn't for this shit? Where would I be even if it wasn't for this music beat? I'm grateful for everything. Grateful for everything. Dibulela bazali bami, ingamliba lomdali wami. Came lot of things deep, lot of things I've been, a lot of shit. But yeah, where would I be? Where would I be? Did a lot of shit. Yeah. Where would I be? Unzima kulo mhlaba kodwa kumele ungame, akumele uzame, akumele ulahle ithemba, kumele uzame.
That's easy on the beat. Gotta keep it real.
Where would I be? Where would I be? Where would I be? Where would I be if it wasn't for this music beat? Yeah.